Good morning, everybody, and I'm back in school again today. Can you guess where I am? I'm in the library. Do you see that lovely background I have today? Beautiful. So let's get started with our Tuesday work, beginning as always with our date. That's right. And we are on to Tuesday now, Tuesday, the 9th of March, 2021. Tuesday, the 9th of March, 2021. And as we know for our spellings, we are looking this week at the E sound, which is made in many different ways. So let's look at our words. Meter, feet, feel, green, each, please, Easter, leave, finally, easy, key, money. Now we're on to question 4 in Sounds in Focus. And question 4 asks you to colour the letter E if it represents the E sound in the word. So let's look at the words and listen to them. And if you hear an E sound, then you can colour it. Just maybe do a coloured circle around it. Or colour just the letter that's making the sound. Egg, emu, meter, liter, ever, even, video, voice, equal. So you only colour the letter E if it makes that E sound. Now, for example, with egg, it doesn't make that sound, it makes an sound. So we wouldn't colour that E, but look at the E in the other words, and if it makes an E sound, then you colour it in. Now with liter there, the I makes an E sound, but the E does not, so you wouldn't colour that E in either. On to question 5 then, and you have these various sentences with words in them that are missing letters. And the missing letters are either double E or EA. So each time you have to decide whether you have to put EE or EA in the words to make the sentence. And then once you have made the words, you write them in the lines in this beehive right here. So there are 11 words to make, and there are 11 spaces here to fill in as well. And that would be enough Sounds in Focus for today. Today, for your comprehension, you are going to learn about fair trade. And fair trade is all about making the world fairer. And it's about making sure that farmers who grow bananas, for example, when they go to sell their bananas, they get a fair price, a price that they should get for their bananas from the big companies and shops that buy them. Now, sometimes in the world, when farmers grow things like bananas or coffee or cocoa beans, sometimes they don't get a fair price for what they have grown. Sometimes they get very little money. And so fair trade is all about making sure they get enough money. And if you see a fair trade sticker on some fruit or in coffee or in chocolate, then you will know that the farmer who grew the items for that product got a fair price. So I want you to read down through the information and then work your way through the questions as always. And here are our questions, and they say, number 1, find and copy one word that means rich. Question 2, how many bananas sold in the United Kingdom are fair trade? Now, all of this information, as you know, is in the text, so you need to keep looking back through the text to find your answer. In the sentence, fair trade also keeps farming sustainable, so the crops can be grown year after year. What does sustainable mean? Number 4, what does fair trade guarantee for cocoa bean farmers in Africa? Number 5, name 2 facts about sugar. Now, if you don't have enough space there, you can carry on down over here. And question 6, why should you try to persuade somebody to buy fair trade products? And we talked about that a bit before there. So why do you think you could say to someone that they should buy fair trade products? Now, your maths for this week, it doesn't really require any additional explanation because it's just the same as we move throughout the week. We are doing vertical subtraction, which means up and down like this, and always starting with our units first and then our tens. Now, clearly, Mrs. McFadden had no idea what date it was when she put the dates at the top of this work, because I've written there that it's the 9th of February. It is, of course, the 9th of March. You know that, but clearly when I was making this pack, I didn't. So I have the wrong dates on this week, but I'm sure you know what I meant anyway. So just carry on with your subtraction today. So boys and girls, that is our maths and literacy for today. Now you would have received as well some new book titles on Sunday evening. I think I sent them for you to read this week. Now you may have received 1 or 2 or 3. If you received a lot of book titles, don't feel that you have to read them all this week. Okay, as long as you get 1 book read and 1 AR quiz taken, I will be very, very happy. Because remember, we need to try and do 1 accelerated reader quiz every week. And if you need any help getting onto Accelerated Reader, or you need the link or anything, please let me know and I will help you as best I can. All right, talk to you tomorrow. Bye bye.